Hi guys, welcome to Cortex. Today the new ID3 arrived, the facelift version. So I'll show you guys how improved it is. At first what we see is the all new front, new front bumper and the new hood. It doesn't have the black stuff over here anymore, so looks a bit better, a bit sportier. So some little improvements on the front, as you see, a bit sportier front bumper, etc. So really cool to see that they've listened to us. And what we also see on the bonnet, this little form in it, it's a little more sporty, a little different, and it's a bit higher than the pre-facelift version because the black piece over here disappeared. Then on the rear, the only difference, this piece of taillight will illuminate when you use the taillights, if you got the 3D LED matrix headlights, but this car doesn't have it. And then the interior, the door guards, some cloth inlay, really cool to see that it looks more luxurious. And then the inside itself, some leatherwood stitching on the dash, a little other layout, some ID3 badging over here, like you doesn't know you're driving the ID3. And as I said, the leather stitching on the dash, some soft materials, so a bit better than the pre-facelift version. And the seats, also some new interiors, new style, some new cloth layout. It looks really cool. It feels a bit more premium than it was. And of course the new 12-inch display instead of the small 10-inch. So, and some new software, the 3.5 software now. This car is still in the transport mode, so I can use it at the moment, but I come back to that later. There aren't some versions online to compare them to the older software, so I'll try it for you and let you know, guys. And this display is still the same with the new software, nothing different compared to the 3.1 or 3.2 software in the older models. And also this piece of the door a little bit different with this mesh-like grille on the whole door. What I see now from the new 3.5 software, it's a lot quicker. When you touch a button, it reacts completely immediately. So you doesn't have to wait until you press a button like climate. It's already there. The old software has some lower reaction speed, so that's an improvement. So guys, a short review of the new ID3. Can't wait to drive with it, maybe in a couple of weeks. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys.